Hello everyone, how to solve e the power of x minus e the power of minus x equals 2. Now to solve this, e the power of x minus 1 over e the power of x equals 2. Then we multiply both sides by e the power of x, and then this becomes e the power of x times e the power of x minus e the power of x over e the power of x, which is equal to 2e the power of x. Then this becomes e the power of x plus x minus e the power of x minus x equals 2e the power of x. Then this becomes e the power of 2x minus e the power of 0 equals 2e the power of x. Then e the power of 2x minus this is 1 equals 2e the power of x. Then e the power of 2x minus 1 minus 2e the power of x equals 0. Then e the power of 2x minus 2e the power of x minus 1 equals 0. And now let's t is equal to e the power of x. And now we substitute for t in place of e the power of x, and it becomes t squared minus 2t minus 1 equals 0, and then t squared minus 2t equals 1. And now we can solve this by using completing the square method. T squared minus 2t plus 1 square equals 1 plus 1 square. And then here we have perfect square, so we can write this as t minus 1 the whole square equals 2. And this becomes t minus 1 equals square root of 2. Then t is equal to plus or minus square root of 2 plus 1, and so t will be equal to square root of 2 plus 1, or t is equal to minus square root of 2 plus 1. So these are the two values of t. But t is equal to e the power of x. So now this means e the power of x is equal to square root of 2 plus 1. And now we apply ln in both sides. Then ln of e the power of x becomes x ln e, which is equal to ln of square root of 2 plus 1. But ln of e is equal to log of e to the base e, and which is equal to 1. So x ln of e is 1 equals ln of square root of 2 plus 1, or x equals ln of minus square root of 2 plus 1. So these are the two values of x. But here square root of 2 is greater than 1, which makes the value of ln negative. But value of ln cannot be negative, so this x value cannot be a solution. So the only solution is this one. So don't forget these steps, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye.